Welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we're exploring a completely wild intersection where artificial intelligence, next-level cryptography, and Web3 basically collide head-on. Our main focus? The Univex Network, and their massive, overarching mission to build a quantum-resistant future for all of us. I want you to think about your online life for just a second. Your banking, your DMs, your decentralized networks, your crypto wallets. Now, ask yourself, are your digital assets actually ready for the quantum era? Because quantum computing isn't just sci-fi anymore. It's advancing incredibly fast. And with that crazy leap in computing power comes a massive, very real threat to the digital locks we rely on every single day to keep our information safe. To put that into perspective for you, an encryption problem that might take a traditional supercomputer thousands of years to crack, a powerful quantum computer could theoretically chew through that in a matter of hours. Just hours. Basically, everything you own or interact with digitally could be fundamentally vulnerable if we don't aggressively upgrade our defenses today. And that brings us to the core targets that urgently need this protection: our digital identities, our data, and our assets. Let's just sit with the sweeping implications of that for a moment. Every single facet of our online existence, from proving who we are, to safeguarding what we create, to securing what we own, it all requires a completely new kind of unbreakable vault. We're talking about fortifying the very foundational building blocks of the internet before quantum computers can just easily shatter the traditional encryption methods we use right now.
Enter the technological hero of our narrative, post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. Univex is building an entire ecosystem around this exact concept. And crucially, they aren't just, improvising their security methods out of thin air. This PQC ecosystem is based strictly on established NIST standards. And if you follow this space, relying on the National Institute of Standards and Technology isn't just checking a regulatory box. NIST is the absolute global gold standard for cybersecurity. By using their frameworks, Univex is designing a system purposely built to help protect against future quantum threats using mathematically rigorous, globally recognized blueprints.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how Univex actually elevates that standard security. They aren't just relying on static cryptography. They are pioneering AI-powered PQC security. This is a highly unique, deeply integrated approach. By pairing the sheer brute force protective strength of post-quantum cryptography with the adaptive, intelligent nature of artificial intelligence, they're creating a truly dynamic defense mechanism. It's like having a security system that is not only incredibly strong, but also incredibly smart.
To really grasp the technical weight of their security claims, we have to look closely at the specific, heavy-duty, NIST-based protocols they're integrating. We're talking ML-DSA 65, also known as dilithium 3, compared alongside ML-DSA 87, or dilithium 5. Now, without getting totally lost in the complex math here, the main takeaway is that these are highly advanced digital signature algorithms. They're meticulously designed to be rock-solid against both today's classical computers and tomorrow's future quantum computers. Think of them as the industrial-grade steel forming Univex's new digital vault.
Let's move to and see how this builds into